Tired of wet clothes ruining your camping trip? In this video, we rank the 10 best camping clotheslines and drying solutions, from ultralight backpacking lines to heavy-duty folding racks for car campers. We cover weight, durability, ease of setup, and value, so you can find the perfect fit for your style of camping. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list with the HONGYUTAI portable clothesline, a clean, retractable design built for travelers who hate tangles. The ABS casing and nylon rope combination feels sturdy, and the built-in hooks make setup ridiculously fast. It retracts back into its compact housing in seconds, so there's zero fussing around at the end of the day. What really stands out here is how tangle-free the whole experience is. You pull it out, hook it up, and you're done. No knots, no mess. It's a great pick for anyone who wants a polished, no-hassle drying solution at camp. Next up, and honestly one of my favorites on this entire list, the Sea to Summit Light Line Clothesline. This thing weighs just 1.3 ounces, which is almost nothing. The reflective cord glows in low light so you won't trip over it at night. And here's the cool part. It uses a beaded tension system, meaning you don't need clothespins at all. You just weave your clothes right through the twisted cord and it grips them in place. For ultralight backpackers counting every gram, this is the one. It's compact, clever, and genuinely impressive. Easily the best overall camping clothesline on this list. Coming in at number 3, we've got something a little different, the CASAMAYA clothes drying rack. Instead of a rope or cord, this is a full foldable stainless steel rack with multiple tiers for drying. If you're car camping with the family and need serious drying capacity, this thing delivers big time. It works flat for transport and opens up to give you way more hanging space than any single line could offer. It works indoors and outdoors, so it's versatile beyond camping too. Best for families or groups who car camp and need to dry a lot of gear fast. Number 4. CenYouful Clothesline Rope. Moving on to number 4, the CenYouful Clothesline Rope, and this one is built specifically for windy conditions. The elastic rope stretches and absorbs tension so your line doesn't snap tight when a gust hits. The included windproof clips lock your clothes down so nothing goes flying. It's adjustable in length, which is a nice touch when you're working with whatever trees or posts happen to be around your campsite. If you camp in exposed or breezy areas, this is honestly one of the smartest picks on the list. Reliable, grippy, and designed with real outdoor use in mind. At number 5, we have the DAGONGREN camping clothesline, and the headline feature here is the pre-attached clothespins. You don't have to dig through your bag looking for clips because they're already right there on the line. Setup is genuinely quick, and the anti-slip design keeps everything in place. The steel hooks are solid, and the elastic rope has good stretch to it. It's an ideal pick when you need to get clothes up fast after a long hike and don't want to spend extra time on setup. Great for quick setup drying. Simple, practical, and ready to go right out of the bag. Halfway through the list, number 6 is the Vigorport portable travel clothesline. This one is the elastic line version from Vigorport, and it's designed to work well both at camp and at hotels. The clips have a strong grip that keeps clothes secure even when the line has some bounce to it. It's compact, it's lightweight, and packs down to basically nothing. If you're someone who travels a mix of camping and hotel stays in the same trip, this crossover-friendly design makes a lot of sense. A solid all-around pick that punches above its price. Number 7 is the Codblore Travel Clothesline Cord, the upgraded new version. Codblore took their classic design and beefed it up with reinforced nylon and elastic blend that holds up better under repeated use. The windproof clip system is tight, and the adjustable length gives you flexibility no matter the campsite layout. If you've burned through cheaper clotheslines before and want something that'll actually last multiple seasons, this is where to put your money. The durability improvement over the original is noticeable. Best choice for long-term or frequent campers who need reliability. Coming in at number 8, the Vigorport Retractable Travel Clothesline, which is the retractable model from Vigorport. The big differentiator here is the built-in carabiner attachment, which makes clipping this thing to a backpack or tent post a 1-second job. The nylon rope retracts smoothly into the ABS housing with no tangling. If you're someone who values organization and hates digging through a messy bag, this one is made for you. It's compact, clean, and super easy to deploy and pack away. Great for organized travelers who want everything neat and quick access. At number 9, we've got the Codblore Travel Clothesline cord, the classic version, and this is your go-to budget pick. It's simple, elastic cord. It comes with clips, it's lightweight, and it gets the job done without any fuss. There's nothing complicated about it, and that's kind of the point. If you're just getting into camping or you want a backup line to toss in your kit, this is the perfect price-friendly option. Don't overthink it. For the cost, it's hard to beat. A solid budget pick that covers the basics without complaint. Rounding out our list at number 10 is the X-Vital Camping Clothesline, built for minimalist campers who want lightweight and no frills. The elastic rope has a wind-resistant design that keeps tension even in breezy conditions, and the hooks are easy to attach to just about any anchor point. It packs down incredibly small. We're talking fits in your pocket small. Setup takes under a minute, and it handles the basics of camp drying really well. If you're a minimalist who just needs a reliable line without extras, the X-Vital earns its spot on this list. So there you have it, our top 10 camping clotheslines and drying solutions for 2026. If I had to pick just 2, I'd point you toward the Sea to Summit Light line for ultralight trips and the CASAMAYA rack for family car camping. All the links are in the description below, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a gear breakdown. See you in the next one!